Hey friends, it's Ali, and in today's video we have a special collaboration that I'm hosting, and this is called the Home Decor Luxe Club, and we visualize and inspire with passion to bring you different decorating ideas for every vlogging season. So this was a Vlogust season. We will be back because this is our season finale, and we will be back in October. If you love glam and decorating with glam elegance, please email me, and you're always welcome to join our close collab. So let's get started. I'm going to play some music for you guys. I also want to let you know that I have 4 other channels, and they will be linked in the description box, as well as my entire series for this fall season. But please show them some love to my beautiful YouTube sisters. The links to their channels will also be listed below, and also to the playlist for this entire series of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Please enjoy the rest of the video with music, and thank you guys so much for watching. A special thanks to my beautiful YouTube sisters. Thank you for collaborating with me. That would be Creations by Simone, Tablescapes by Candy, and MMIRIM's Creative Corner. Please check out these lovely ladies. You will love them. I will also share some decor ideas here in the store.